Yeah, guys, hope you're all doing good. We got this Target today, this box of goodness. Okay, open. So this is a Dragon Target here. We're on sale one day, and I decided to get it. I want to say Jim 1911. I'll have a link to his website on there. Happen to have them, and I was like, oh, good deal. That was a pretty good deal. So thanks, Jim. And I wanted to get some targets. This is what you get. I got some paper. Looks like some hangers here, so you can hang them all up. But from other ones, you had to buy chains and stuff. Everything else I got, I had to get chains. But hold on, sweetheart. So I got a bunch of hangers. This is pretty neat for a whole bunch of stuff for it. And even the little Target, the one that was on super sale, gave me some stuff here. So I got a nice small one. This is, oh man, 4-inch dong. I don't know about the set here. Just clickety click, you know how that goes. Got some little, have to see how this goes. I was just gonna hang them and stuff, but yeah, I got 1/2 inches of 6. Frickin', this is a 3. This is, I think, was the one on sale for like $9. An 8-inch. I only got. This is like a 3 set. This one don't tell what it is, but I think that's a 10. Oh, you know what? I got 2 8s. Is what it looks like. Oh, this is a pile of steel here. So this is 1/2 inch by 10. And I have to sit up. I know the kids don't want to get some stuff out. Oh, look at this big one. This is the biggest one I got so far. I shouldn't miss this one. This is a 12-inch by 1/2 inch thick. So yeah, I can't wait to make them dance and make some noise to us. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the link down in the below for this. But I didn't realize I got that many. I guess I should read read what I'm clicking on. But the price, I think I paid $70 for everything sitting here, so that's a pretty good score for $70. There's a lot of that, and you know, for future slamming of goodness. So thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll get to shooting here. I'm off for a couple of days, so hopefully down the road here I can make it happen. Thanks. Talk to y'all later.